In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a vector image in GIMP. Even though GIMP is primarily a raster editor, it includes a powerful paths tool that lets you build clean, scalable shapes, just like vector graphics. We'll keep it simple and focused so you can get great results right away. Start by opening GIMP. Once it's up, go to File and choose New. This creates the blank canvas you'll work on. In the New Image dialog, pick a size that fits your project. You can use a preset template or type in a custom width and height. Don't worry too much if you're unsure. Because you'll be working with paths, you can scale the final result cleanly later. Click OK to confirm and you'll see your new canvas. Now select the Paths tool. You'll find it in the toolbox. It looks like a pen icon. If you prefer shortcuts, press B to switch to it instantly. In the tool options below, you can leave the default settings as they are. The Paths tool is set to place and edit points in a very intuitive way. Let's draw the shape. Click once on the canvas to place your first anchor point. This is the start of your path. Click somewhere else to place a second point, and GIMP connects them with a straight line. Keep clicking to lay down more points and build the outline of your design. If you want a curve instead of a straight segment, click and drag as you place a point. Dragging pulls out Bezier handles, which control the direction and smoothness of the curve. You can always refine things later by dragging a point to reposition it or adjusting its handles to tweak the arc. Take your time here. Place points at corners or key bends and use fewer points for smoother curves. If something doesn't look right, undo and try again, or simply move the existing point until it fits. Zoom in for precision and pan around the canvas as needed so you can see exactly where your edges should go. When your outline is complete, close the shape. Move your cursor over the very first anchor point you placed. When it highlights, click it to connect the last point back to the first. That closes the path and gives you a clean, continuous outline. You now have a crisp, scalable path that behaves like a vector shape inside GIMP. Because it's defined by points and curves, you can resize and refine it without losing quality. That's all there is to making a vector-style image in GIMP using the Paths tool.